What's up, guys? Today we are at the Canadian Falls, but it's more like the American Falls because you see behind me the American Falls or slash Niagara Falls, but this is the American side. On the other side it's Buffalo, but on this side that I'm on right now, because I didn't bring my passports here since that's why I'm not on the America, this is the Canadian side, and over there's the Canadian Niagara Falls. But like I said again, there is the American Falls, Niagara Falls. And here it's the American Niagara Falls. And you should take a good look at it. And over there is the Canadian Falls. Or the Niagara Falls for short. And yeah, it's really fun. Right now we're taking our dog for a walk. And we were here for a ringette tournament. And I got Skittles in my pocket for some reason. And that's it. And again, that's the American Falls. And that's the Canadian Falls that you're looking at right now. And we're here for a ringette tournament. Those games that you see with the ring. The Canadian Falls, the Canadian, or just the Niagara Falls on the Canadian side, and over there is the American side of the Niagara Falls.